How to remove links from Safari on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your iPhone. You will be brought to the Safari Start page. This page shows your favorites. To remove one link, press and hold the links icon. A menu will pop up. From here, tap on Delete. This will remove that link from your favorites. To remove the entire section, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on the Edit button. This opens the customized Start page screen. Here, you can manage all the sections on your Start page. Find the Favorites option and turn off the toggle next to it. You can also turn off the Reading List section in the same way. Once you are done, tap the X icon at the top right. As you can see, the Favorites link section is now completely removed. Your Safari Start page will now be updated, showing only the sections you chose to keep. Following these steps, you can easily remove links from Safari on an iPhone.